Welcome back to ISLE for your latest construction update.
So out here on level 1, we've waterproofed our podium, getting ready for our water feature, and we're in the process of forming, installing some Rio and getting our water feature seating pods good to go. Framing is happening around out the back behind me, and facades looking to be closed up in the coming weeks. On the lower floors, we're standing in one of our completed apartments where we're well underway in the defects process. And the purpose of the defects round is to catch incomplete works so they can be rectified complete prior to handover.
Okay, I get the best part. The pool is in. The pool was lifted in 8 sections across 2 days, and now we spend 3 to 4 weeks welding the pool together, and then we'll spend the next 4 weeks tiling. The pool is installed on approximately 36 springs below us and a series of pads to allow for compression when the pool is full and reduces acoustics and vibrations on the lower levels. They are designed specifically to take the weight and the load from above at each particular point. The total length of the pool is about 22 metres and the total combined weight is 120,000 kilos.
As a finishing touch to our rooftop resort, we've installed these pergola blades on level 28. Now, there was a lot of pre-planning done by our construction team ahead of schedule here, which allowed these to be craned in across the 2 days in line with the pool. Following the installation of our pergola and the concrete pour on level 28, I'm really proud to announce that ISLE has officially topped out, which means the building is as tall as it's going to get, and we can turn our attention now to finishing our residential apartments and bringing the ISLE Rooftop Resort to life. That's all from ISLE. Look forward to seeing you next time.
And the purpose of the defects round is to catch incomplete works so they can be rectified complete prior to handover.